hello, here's a quick video for Emma who asked about the last bit of this question, question A. And it's true, A and B are fine. Then you get this funny little question at the end where it's like, so I'm not going to prove A and B, I'm just going to say the answer to B is x equals a half plus 4t over 3 e to the minus 3t plus 1/18 sine 3t. Yeah? And what they want you to do is, looking at this, they want you to find, looking at the particular solution you've just found, find the first turning point after t is greater than 30, and that's the real annoying bit here. Now, you've got to realise with turning points, with an equation like this, they're given by the wave function, really. This part isn't going to play a role, so we only have to worry about the 1/18 sine 3t. So, where do we get our turning points for sine? Well, we get them when we have multiples of, now normally for just sine x it's going to be on pi over 2, yeah, and then 3 pi over 2, and then 5 pi over 2. Well, we can use that fact and say for sine 3x, y equals 3x, y equals sine 3x, we're just going to compress all our coordinates by a factor of 3. So this is going to become pi over 6, 3 pi over 6, 5 pi over 6. Okay, now we just need to think, well, okay, if I'm looking for the first turning point after t is 30, then what I'm looking for is a k pi over 6, which needs to be just about bigger than 30. Yeah, I'm looking for the first k value for which this is true. Yeah, now I can times it by 6 divided by pi. I get k is 57 point something. I can't remember what it was. Let me just check my calculator. 57.3. Doesn't really matter though, because k's got to be an integer. Yeah, what's more, it's not just going to be any old integer. I can't take 58. I've got to take 59 because it goes 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and just goes through the odds. So k equals 59, and therefore, when I'm finding the first turning point, I'm just going to plug in t equals 59 pi over 6, and then I'm going to plug that in. I'm going to find x, and apparently it's roughly minus 1/18. And that is how you do this question. It's the subtlety, basically, of just looking at the wave function. That's where you're going to get your turning points. But yeah, that is quite a subtle question. There's no doubt about it. It's not an easy question by any means. It really isn't. But yeah, there we go. Hope it makes sense. That's the key thing. Keep up the hard work. You're doing really well, all of you watching this. You're going to be doing great in the exam. I have every confidence in you. Okay, all the best. Bye bye.